Mitraaya namaha. Rudrakshas are very powerful. Many of the secrets about the Rudrakshas are revealed by many gurus, masters, astrologers and healers. But there are still so many secrets unrevealed. Our ancient tantras and the secret remedial scriptures have revealed amazing applications, multi-purpose applications about Rudrakshas. I would like to choose the best of all, the most powerful one, TRIMUKHI RUDRAAKSHA MAHIMA, with the RUDRA SHAKTI Mantra included. Many secret prayogas, TRIMUKHI RUDRAAKSHA MAHIMA. The multi-purpose applications of the TRIMUKHI RUDRAAKSHA: health benefits, spiritual growth, farsightedness to avoid wrong decisions, the power of clairvoyance, confidence boost, shock-absorbing capabilities, creative thinking to achieve success in life, and clear away many deep-rooted blockages and the laziness within oneself. The TRIMUKHI RUDRAAKSHA with the Rudra Shakti Mantra can be very, very useful. Om Tatpurushaya Vidmahe Mahadevaya Dhimahi Tanno Rudra Prachodayat. Om Trayambakam Yajamahe Sugandhim Pushtivardhanam Urvarukamiva bandhanan Mrutyor Mukshiyamamrutat. Om Neelakanthaya Vidmahe Phalanetraya Dhimahi Tanno Sipivishta Prachodayat. Om Ojaskaraya Tamoharam Namah Shivam Tejomayaya Gauri Priyam Shankaram. TRIMUKHI RUDRAAKSHA MAHIMA. Firstly, energize the TRIMUKHI RUDRAAKSHA. There are several procedures to energize Rudrakshas. The Guhapala Pratishtha Vidhi reveals 12 secret methods of activations for gemstones, Rudrakshas and statues. Our Vedic scriptures reveal Sapta Kala Vidhi. Guhapala Shakti Pitham is a pre-energized yantra-studded altar upon which the prana pratishthas are performed. Mantra Chalana and Tarpana Marjana Vidhi too energize them. Yamala Tantras, Yaksha Tantras too have explained its importance. TRIMUKHI RUDRAAKSHA Mahima. For quick health recovery and immune boost, Agni Gayatri Mantra. Om Vaishwanaraya Vidmahe Lalilaya Dhimahi Tanno Agni Prachodayat. Om Vaishwanaraya Vidmahe Lalilaya Dhimahi Tanno Agni Prachodayat. Om Vaishwanaraya Vidmahe Lalilaya Dhimahi Tanno Agni Prachodayat. Chant this Agni Gayatri mantra 108 times, holding it in the hand in the right palm. After finishing the chanting, keep the Rudraaksha in a plate and pour milk upon the Rudraaksha, chanting the Mrutyunjaya mantra 12 times. Om Trayambakam Yajamahe Sugandhim Pushtivardhanam Urvarukamiva Bandhanan Mrityor Mukshi Yamamrutat. Om Trayambakam Yajamahe Sugandhim Pushtivardhanam Urvarukamiva Bandhanan Mrityor Mukshi Yamamrutat. Om Trayambakam Yajamahe Sugandhim Pushtivardhanam Urvarukamiva Bandhanan Mrityor Mukshi Yamamrutat. This wonderful Mrutyunjaya mantra, chant it 12 times, and while you are pouring the milk upon the Rudraaksha, this Mrutyunjaya mantra has to be chanted. Now you can take the Rudraaksha and wash it and keep it aside and consume the milk as an energy booster, quick recovery from health issues, to vanquish all inner sufferings, pains, physical and mental health issues. For spiritual growth and clairvoyancy. Yes, Trimukhi Rudraaksha Mahima for spiritual growth, ascension and clairvoyancy. Wrap 5 energized Trimukhi Rudraakshas in a white cloth. Tie it up and chant 33 times this beautiful mantra. Mantramule Bhairavam Mahayajna Samahitam Bhutanadham Somanadham Aksharam Amareshwaram. Mantramule Bhairavam Mahayajna Samahitam Bhutanadham Somanadham Aksharam Amareshwaram. Mantramule Bhairavam Mahayajna Samahitam Bhutanadham Somanadham Aksharam Amareshwaram. You have to hold that 5 Rudraakshas which are wrapped in a white cloth and chant this beautiful mantra, the Bhairavam, Mantramula Bhairava mantra. Chant it 33 times. After that, lie down, place the cloth wrapped Rudraakshas upon your forehead as you lie down face upwards. You can continue the chanting or you need not. You have to just accomplish 33 times chanting minimum. While you are lying down face upwards, when you place this wrapped up white cloth containing the Trimukhi Rudraakshas, the 5 Rudraakshas, place it upon your forehead, upon your third eye, and establish rhythmic breathing. When you are inhaling and exhaling, keep a watch upon your body. Think of your issues in life. Think of all the problems which you need to encounter so that they clear. Think of all your new plans and ideas which you want to achieve. Wherever you want to gain success, keep on breathing it. Gradually, you could gain foresight and inclination towards higher spiritual pursuits. You may be connected to better gurus, bigger gurus, great scriptures, and many secrets will be revealed. This is a highly powerful mantra. Trimukhi Rudraaksha Mahima reveals you this very powerful mantra and this beautiful, cute, positive tantra. All is simple, but your faith and dedication is the most important investment. Trimukhi Rudraaksha Mahima. There are many people who have got stage fear, starting trouble, hesitation, so many other phobias. For such people, this Trimukhi Rudraaksha can do wonders for confidence boost and creative ability. Wearing a Trimukhi energized Rudraaksha, embedded in gold as an apex, which can be also worn in a 54 beads Panchamukhi Rudraaksha Mala. You can make that Panchamukhi Rudraaksha Mala in gold, silver or copper, and you should wear it around the neck, but the apex must be the Trimukhi energized Rudraaksha embedded in gold only. This mala, holding the Trimukhi Rudraaksha, should be worn around the neck continuously for at least 12 hours in a day. It will be very beneficial. You can wear it the whole day even. It acts as a great shock absorber and clears away laziness, fatigue and blockages. If Trimukhi Rudraakshas are embedded in a cushion and used as a seating for meditation, the experiences are beyond explanation. But caution, when you are dealing with Ekamukhi, Dvimukhi, Trimukhi, Chaturmukhi and Navamukhi, Dashamukhi, Ekadashamukhi Rudraakshas, if you are holding it in your pocket, if you are wearing it around your neck, you should be very careful while wearing it. You should not indulge yourself into any physical relationships, alcohol, or consuming non-vegetarian. People who are using general Panchamukhi Mala need not bother, but it is very important. The more respect and honor you give to the Rudraakshas, the more beneficial it is for you in your life. Rudraaksha is Sakshat Shiva. I am revealing to you the great Rudraaksha Mantra, which is called Rudra Shakti Mantra, Nityavak Japa Mantra as well. Either it is Nityavak Japa Mantra or the Rudra Shakti Mantra. This mantra has no rules and regulations. You can chant it anytime, anywhere, anybody and everybody, whenever you feel like. No Japa Sankhya required. Just receive this amazing small capsuled mantra, highly powerful one, very, very powerful. When you are holding a Trimukhi Rudraaksha with you, this mantra multi-magnifies million times. Just repeat with me as I chant the mantra 7 times. Accept it as initiated. Shivaya Bhavodbhavaya Namaha. 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 Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vasishyate. Om Shantihi Shantihi Shantihi. Sarve Janah Sukhino Bhavantu. Loka Samasta Sukhino Bhavantu. Gruni Surya Aditya Om. Gruni Surya Aditya Purnanandaya Om. Om. Hari Om Tat Sat. Mitraaya namaha. Welcome to Energy Circle's VSPTenneti channel. Thank you for the amazing response. Please do not forget to pass it on and subscribe. Thank you very much. Aditya Sakshi Sampurna Raksha.